Metal roofing has become the top choice for Tucson homeowners who want a roof that handles the desert without compromise. Extreme heat, heavy monsoon rain, and decades of longevity. Standing seam metal panels reflect solar energy that destroys other roofing materials, and they handle Tucson's temperature swings without the cracking and warping that tile and shingle systems develop over time. DC Roofing of Arizona installs standing seam, corrugated, and concealed fastener metal roofing systems in a full range of colors and profiles for residential and commercial properties. David Contreras and his crew have installed metal roofs throughout Tucson since 2011, including custom work on high-end desert homes and commercial properties in the foothills. We serve the Catalina Foothills, Madera Highlands, Ventana Canyon, and every community across the Tucson metro. Long-term warranties, 4.8 stars, 500 completed roofs, and ROC license number 328733. Call DC Roofing of Arizona today for your free metal roofing estimate in Tucson.